Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. So you can start by adding a video or maybe an image like this to CapCut as the main clip or main photos. And after that, let's add the overlay. You can add overlay in the form of images or maybe videos. So I'm going to add okay this fireworks overlay, for example. So I'm going to download it first, and after that just click on the plus icon. Okay, so click on the plus button, so the video will automatically add it into the main track in here. And to make it as overlay, you need to drag it up like this. Just drag it. Okay, and after that you can just do the blending. So here I'm going to cover the screen, and I'm going to go to blend. I'm going to just go with normal but lower the opacity like this. So that's how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. Pretty easy, and I hope this video will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.